Editing items. The order entry grid is resizable. If you move your mouse cursor to the blue line here and hold down the left mouse button and keep it held down, and then when you release it, the grid will change in size. You can make it larger or smaller, whatever you prefer. You also have buttons over here on the right hand side to either make them equal or maximize the area. You can insert rows at any point. You can't insert rows in between an attachment and the cabinet or the item, but you can insert rows in between. I'm pressing the insert key on the keyboard to insert additional rows. There's also a button up here for insert rows and also for delete rows. Picking the button will delete the row. If the row is blank, we'll just go ahead and delete it. But if there's something selected, for example, I'm this 4812 and I choose delete, it's going to prompt me first. Are you sure you wish to delete that 4812 and the attachment accessory mods that go with it? We choose yes, they go away. And you can do that for multiple. I can highlight multiple and it'll show all of them at once. The number column is automatic, so as you add in new items, things will renumber automatically. Right now I have 1, 2, and 3. I press enter, now it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Quantity is where you can modify the quantity for the item. And you can enter 0 for the item if you wish to not order it, but have it listed here. Maybe a customer changed their mind. You can just change the quantity to 0, so it won't actually go to the factory, but it's still in your quote order here. Name column is here, which as you can see, you can change items. You can type over an item. If you need to change this, say you want to go from a wall 3012 to W3312, you can replace it. Columns are resizable, so if the name is much longer, you can change it. I'm just holding down the left mouse button to resize these. You have width, height, depth columns. And depending on the catalog, it will tell you if you can or cannot change the size for items. If I change this from 33 to 34, this catalog says you cannot increase the width for that item. But if you try 32, they do allow decrease width. Hinge, again, this is up to the manufacturer's catalog of what they will show, and this is on a per item basis, but Hinge will show you the options available for hinging for that particular cabinet. Same is true for finish side left and finish side right. The manufacturers determine what information is here, and some of these will automatically append modifications to the order. So now this finish side left. When I selected that, it's added as a modification or attachment to the item. If I try to delete that, highlight it, and choose delete row, it's going to say sorry, but you can't delete an automatic attachment. Finish side right is the same. Special instruction just allows you to type in anything special you want to mention to the manufacturer.